Thanks for interesting to know about Knowledge Broker Blueprint KBB 2020. Module 3, Run It. This module is all about running your small group, mastermind or workshop. Dean walks you through one of the masterminds he did a few years back, which only had 10 people. He shows you how easy it is to do your first mastermind, and you'll also learn the psychology and science behind why masterminds are so powerful. Tanner will then reveal the different types of virtual events you can run and how to actually set them up step by step. Should you want to run your even in person, there are 6 training videos on how to do exactly that. Click the link below in this video for more new updates. You'll learn how to find and book a location, set up attendee communication, create the event materials, manage event logistics, prepare the final room preparation, and what to do the day of the event. You'll also learn how to set your event up from start to finish in the MindMint software, which makes setting up and running an event so much easier. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel for more new updates.